Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to make a vision board. So vision board is basically a board where you stick the things that you want to achieve in that particular year. So for me, I write down my vision. That is, I wanted to apply for jobs. I wanted to buy a house and reading books and all that kind of a thing. The heading things I write on the piece of paper, and about that thing I wrote in this piece of paper, and then I got the idea what I'm supposed to do. So I have some newspapers and magazines. So I went through that, and I searched for some um photos in that, and if I find some good photos, I cut out those photos from the newspaper or magazine. So if you don't want to print out the some photos to stick on your board, then you can do this. But I didn't find that many pictures that I wanted to, but I get some photos, so I cut out them. So after that, I went on the Pinterest to see some ideas about the vision board. So the Pinterest is the best thing to go if you want some ideas or inspiration or things you want to see. Like you want the idea about particular topic. Pinterest is the best app. So I always go on Pinterest for ideas. So I went on Pinterest and I got some ideas about the vision board that I wanted to make. So there was some pictures, there was some quotes that I really liked. So I also thought I can incorporate that in my vision board. So vision board is nothing but like the things you wanted to achieve in that particular year, so that sticking on those board, it will help you to stay on the path that you are looking for. Like I wanted to do a job in particular places, or I wanted to go for the particular program in that call or something, or in college. So I will stick those related photos, and that will keep motivating me in the following days. So I will it will help me to achieve my goals. So basically is that what a vision board gives you. So after that, I went on and I print out some photos that I wanted to stick on my vision board. So I printed out some photos, and I'm going to cut out them. two food cutout that I got from newspapers. So and I have these two workout paper cutout, and I printed out this my job related things. I really wanted to do a job in a pastry shop like Theograma or Lay 15. These will be my dream jobs. Then also I want to go to this Kerala. I really wanted to go there. Also my dream uh, traveling spot will be Tokyo. I love Japan, and also want to go to Paris. Also I wanted to buy my own house. I want to move out from my parents' house so that I will decorate my house like this. I really wanted to do that. So as I'm doing pastry chef course, I'm doing hotel management. So I'm kindly looking for the pastry shop job. So lately I'm into this Korean cake thing. Like they are very satisfying and they are very minimalistic. So also I'm looking. I'm not that fashionista, but I wanted to be like into that. So I cut out one, print out this one photo. uh, so that's all I have. So now I'm going to stick these cutouts on my board. So it's nothing but like a shoebox I get now. So I take that cardboard from the shoebox, and I posted some chart paper on that, and I'm going to use push pins to stick into that my paper cutout. So like, so she's a Pooja Dhingra. She's a pastry chef and runs Lay 15 Patisserie. She's my role model. She inspired me a lot. So working in Lay 15 Patisserie will be my dream job. So anyway, that's how I created my vision board. So I hope you have get some ideas about vision board making. So if you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. I post two video every week uh, about art and craft and journaling. So if you are interested in that, please do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So thanks for watching this video. Watch my other videos, you will love them too. So again, thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.